Hey everybody, Rick Tallman with Window Film Revolution. It's been a little while since I did a video. I'm tinting the whatever kind of floor this is, but it's got the windows like this. And on this back one, now most of the time I just bottom load and I don't pull nothing apart. This one I chose to go ahead and pull it apart. It's a four-wheel drive. It's kind of nasty, you know. But anyhow, there's a couple little things I'm going to do here. I'm going to bottom load this. I've pulled the seal out. If you look right here, I've got these little half tennis balls holding this back. Come right here for a second. Now, you can top load this or bottom load it, or you can pull the panel and pull the seal like I've done. But the reason I've got this tennis ball here is to get this out, where when I drop the film in, it'll actually come in right here, and then I can shift it over this way. Now, you're thinking, well, man, it's going to be touching all of this. So when I peel the film, I'm going to leave a piece of the liner on the side, kind of similar if you was to leave the liner on the bottom for top loading. I'm going to leave a little piece of film on the side. You've seen me do this with a Crown Vic before too. That'll protect it from touching this and getting trash in it. Once I get it positioned, I'll pull the clear off and spray it. But I'll just show you what I'm doing. Get this sucker squeezed. Get the switch on. Oh man, the switch don't work back here, does it? Nope.
Yes, it does. It did earlier.
You want to take a picture of this? Come over here. Now this is upside down. I'm going to pull the liner off this way, and I'm gonna leave this part exposed so it's not deep down in there. And I'm just gonna hit that with my fingernail so that it creases. I'm gonna just cut that off, just like that. So I've got a little protection right here. Now, a lot of you say, well, there ain't no sense in doing that on the back window of this thing because it's already tinted. And even if you got a little trash in it, nobody ever see it. And I understand that. But, you know, there's nothing wrong with just knowing how to do some stuff, do some things. So like I said, you can see it's actually sliding in between there. A little bit's probably touched over there, which is why we have that liner on it. And how you tint really has a lot to do with what your goals are. If your goals are to be the cleanest window tinter out there, then you know the tips I'm showing you are really going to help. And that's it. So now I know that even back here where this recess is in, it's still going to be super clean. In any case, I ain't done a video in a while. There you go. Y'all have a great weekend. It's Friday. Enjoy yourselves. See ya.